Welcome back. Let's do question 321. Sketched alongside the graph of g of x is equal to a cos b theta. Write down the values of a and b. Right, what is a? A gives us the amplitude of the graph. So how do we find the amplitude? The maximum value is 2, the minimum value is -2. So the amplitude is equal to 2 minus -2 divided by 2. Remember, amplitude is the maximum value minus the minimum value divided by 2. So which is 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Okay. But now we have to be very, very careful. We need to really understand or to know our parent graph. Let's say we have f of x, which is equal to cos x. How is it going to look like? Or how does the graph of f of x look like? Okay, it starts from 0 there, and then 90 is 0, then 180 is -1, 270 0, and then 360 is 1, like that. This is the graph, the parent graph. Let's say we have another graph which is h of x is equal to 2 cos x. Okay, what does this 2 do? It does vertical stretch, so it's going to be like this. 2, and then 180 is -2, then 270 0, then 360. Our graph of g of x, this graph, is a reflection of h of x about the x-axis. Okay, so the 2 there, so meaning that this 2 for g of x is actually -2. So this a here is -2. Okay, so a is equal to -2. B, remember in the previous question you talked about the k, the parameter k is just the same as b. For cosine graph, our period is equal to 360 degrees divided by, so we're using b here, so it's going to be divided by b. What is the period of this graph? The graph will repeat itself after 360 degrees. So you say 360 degrees is equal to 360 degrees over b. Right, b times 360 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Divide by 360 degrees both sides, b is equal to 1. A is equal to -2 and b is equal to 1.